Hi everyone, welcome to Wisdom Bag. I'm Ray. Today, we're going to look at a common situation, talking about weekend plans at the park. Imagine you are enjoying your free time and you see a friend. What do you say? Let's watch this short dialogue between me and my friend Ethan. Are you ready? Let's get started with our lesson today. Hi, Ethan. Do you have any exciting plans for this weekend?
Not yet, Ray. I just want to relax at home this time.
I understand, but staying home is only one option.
True. I cannot decide what to do. My week was very busy.
The weather is wonderful. You should go hiking or cycling.
That is an exciting idea. I like being in nature.
Exactly. It helps you relax and forget about work.
What is your best option? Are you going somewhere?
I will visit my family. We want to have a wonderful dinner.
That is great. I decide now. I will go to the lake.
The lake is very peaceful. It is a good choice.
Yes, I will have an exciting time taking photos there.
Good. You really need to relax your mind tonight.
Thanks for the option. I feel much better now.
You're welcome. Have a wonderful trip to the lake.
I will. It will be exciting. See you on Monday.
Don't forget to relax. No checking emails, okay?
I decide to leave my laptop at home. I promise.
That is a wonderful plan. Enjoy your weekend.
Thanks, Ray. You too. See you soon.
I hope you enjoyed learning about weekend plans today. Remember to practicing will make your English sound much more natural. What are your plans for this weekend? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye!